Honda is globally respected for its engineering excellence, fuel-efficient engines, and long-term reliability. While the company is best known for cars, motorcycles, and power equipment, the idea of a Honda motorhome has gained strong attention among travelers and camper van enthusiasts. A Honda motorhome represents a smart blend of practicality, advanced technology, and compact design, aimed at people who want freedom on the road without sacrificing comfort or efficiency. Though Honda does not mass-produce traditional large RVs, its motorhome concepts and camper van-based designs showcase what modern touring can look like in a Honda-inspired package. A Honda motorhome is best imagined as a refined, compact, and highly reliable recreational vehicle built on Honda's proven vehicle platforms. Instead of oversized and fuel-hungry motorhomes, Honda focuses on intelligent space usage, smooth driving dynamics, and durability. This approach makes Honda motorhomes ideal for families, couples, and solo travelers who value ease of driving, low maintenance, and everyday usability. One of the most attractive qualities of a Honda motorhome is its foundation. Honda chassis platforms such as the Honda Odyssey, Honda CR-V, or commercial van-style bases provide excellent balance, strong structural integrity, and dependable engines. Honda's engines are known for long service life, smooth performance, and excellent fuel economy compared to many traditional RV powertrains. This makes a Honda motorhome especially appealing for long road trips, cross-country touring, and extended vacations. In terms of design philosophy, Honda emphasizes clean lines, aerodynamic efficiency, and functional interiors. A Honda motorhome is typically compact from the outside but surprisingly spacious inside. Smart layouts allow seating areas to convert into sleeping spaces, while foldable tables, hidden storage compartments, and modular furniture maximize available room. This intelligent design helps travelers enjoy comfort without feeling cramped. The interior of a Honda motorhome is designed for both travel and relaxation. Seating is usually ergonomic and comfortable for long journeys, with high-quality upholstery and supportive cushioning. When parked, the seating can transform into beds suitable for 2 to 4 occupants depending on the layout. The sleeping arrangements are designed to be easy to deploy, allowing users to switch quickly between driving and resting modes. Kitchen facilities in a Honda motorhome are compact yet practical. A typical setup may include a small sink with a water tank, a portable or built-in stove, storage for cooking utensils, and space for a mini refrigerator or cooler. Honda's emphasis on efficiency ensures that every element serves multiple purposes. This makes cooking on the road convenient while maintaining a tidy interior. Storage space is another strong point. Honda motorhome designs often include overhead cabinets, under-seat compartments, and rear storage areas for luggage, camping gear, and sports equipment. Despite the compact size, these vehicles are capable of carrying everything needed for extended trips. Honda's careful weight distribution also helps maintain stability and driving comfort even when fully loaded. Technology plays an important role in the Honda motorhome experience. Honda's modern infotainment systems provide navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, smartphone integration, and audio controls. These systems help drivers stay connected and entertained during long journeys. Safety technology is also a key feature, with many Honda platforms supporting advanced driver assistance systems such as collision mitigation braking, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and rear view cameras. These features make driving a motorhome safer and less stressful, especially for those new to RV travel. Fuel efficiency is one of the biggest advantages of a Honda motorhome. Traditional large motorhomes often consume significant amounts of fuel, increasing travel costs. Honda's efficient engines, combined with lighter vehicle weight and aerodynamic design, help reduce fuel consumption. This allows travelers to go farther on a single tank and explore more destinations without constant refueling. Another major benefit is reliability. Honda has a global reputation for building vehicles that last. Engines, transmissions, and electronic systems are designed for durability and consistent performance. A Honda motorhome built on these foundations benefits from the same reliability standards, reducing the risk of breakdowns during trips. This reliability is particularly important for travelers who plan long journeys or travel through remote areas. Maintenance and ownership costs are also relatively lower compared to traditional RVs. Honda vehicles are widely supported by service centers around the world, and spare parts are generally affordable and easy to find. This makes a Honda motorhome a practical option for people who want a hassle-free ownership experience without specialized RV maintenance requirements. Comfort is further enhanced by Honda's attention to ride quality. Honda suspensions are tuned to provide a smooth and stable ride, even on uneven roads. This makes long-distance travel more enjoyable and reduces fatigue for both drivers and passengers. Noise insulation is also well managed, creating a quieter cabin environment compared to many commercial motorhomes. Environmental responsibility is another area where Honda stands out. The company has invested heavily in hybrid and electric technology, and future Honda motorhome concepts are expected to reflect this commitment. Hybrid or fully electric Honda motorhomes could offer lower emissions, reduced noise, and improved efficiency, making eco-friendly travel more accessible. This aligns with the growing demand for sustainable tourism and responsible outdoor exploration. A Honda motorhome is also versatile. Unlike large RVs that are mainly used for vacations, a Honda-based motorhome can often serve as a daily vehicle when not traveling. Its manageable size makes city driving, parking, and maneuvering easier. This dual-purpose functionality is ideal for people who want one vehicle for both everyday use and adventure travel. From a lifestyle perspective, a Honda motorhome represents freedom and flexibility. It allows travelers to explore scenic routes, camp in nature, and experience new places at their own pace. Whether it is a weekend getaway, a coastal road trip, or a long journey through mountains and countryside, a Honda motorhome supports a wide range of travel styles. In conclusion, the Honda motorhome stands as a symbol of smart design, dependable engineering, and modern mobility. By focusing on efficiency, comfort, safety, and reliability, Honda offers a motorhome concept that suits today's travelers. It is not about size or luxury alone, but about intelligent use of space, advanced technology, and a smooth driving experience. For those seeking a compact, efficient, and trustworthy motorhome solution, the Honda motorhome represents a forward-thinking approach to life on the road.